My friend, your friend, Mr. Pee Wee Herman. Yes, let's hear it for him.
Hi, everybody. My name's Pee Wee. What's yours?
I'm talking to the cops right now. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Tell me what room Dwayne Mendoza's in?
Yeah, I could tell you.
Yes. This is the real thing this time. Come on, please. There's two crazies in here tearing up the place.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, what do you want?
Why don't you give him his luggage, man?
Because he owes $262.50, and in another 5 minutes, there'll be an additional $37.50. I already told you where we're located. What are they doing, walking over here?
Why don't you forget life?
Hey, listen, you
Hey, let
little...
go of me!
Hey, give him his fucking luggage, you
Why
little
don't you let
asshole,
go
man.
of me? I know you are, but what am I?
Yeah?
Look, I think they're Iranians.
Hey, let me go, I'll call the cops.
Does it make you feel like a big man to beat people
Yeah,
up?
give him his
All right,
luggage,
I'm gonna
man.
call the cops. Okay, thank you very much.
Now with your hands up. Somebody take care of this man.
Go, you fucking asshole!
Attica! 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 Let me go, I'm fragile!
Why did you just kill me?
Let me go!
Fucking asshole!
Get out of me! Let me go! Fucking moron!
All windows
Let me
down.
go! Man, ow! Ow, okay, I'm in!
Hey, you! You see those two guys over there? I need you to kill them for me. They've had me put in jail today.
You know, you two look a little familiar to me.
You smell familiar.
Yeah.
It's two guys right there on stage.
Hey, think you're big stuff? Why don't you come up here and try this out? I'm the comedian. I'll tell the jokes, okay, if you don't mind. Think you're so funny? Why don't you come up here and do an act? Hey, here! Stop the show! That's the guy right there! Kill him!
Get him, Thumbelina!
You belong here, buddy!
Now that's the woman, boy! I could keep warm my winter with that one.
Go, you big macho woman! Yeah, let it go! Let it go!
Sorry, I can't leave the door.
Hey,